Hi everyone. In this presentation, I'm going to discussing about strings. That means introduction to strings and string literals and string variables. These are all topics I'm going to discussing now. String. What is a string? A string is a sequence of characters treated as a group. We, we have already used some string literals. That is example of file name within the braces output string. Strings are important in many programming contexts. For example, names, other objectives. No explicit type, instead strings are maintained as array of characters. Representing strings in C, stored in arrays of characters. Arrays can be of any length. End, end of string is indicated by a delimiter, the zero character, that means /0. Here I can represent a string within the braces. So a space is also occupied one byte. Next string should be enclosed with /0. So this is called as string. What is string literals? String literal values are represented by sequences of characters between double quotes. Here is the example. Only double quotes. There is nothing in between double quotes. This is called as empty string. Next, within the braces, hello. This is a normal string. What is the difference between double quotes and single quotes? Double quotes of A versus single quote of A. Single quotes of A is a single character value. That means it's stored one byte as the ASCII value for A. But in double quotes of A is an array with two characters. The first is A, the second will be a character, that means /0. So string will be ended with /0. So /0 is placed in the last position. That means two characters, one is A and another one is /0. Next, referring to string literals. String literal is an array can refer to a single character from the literal as a character. For example, printf %c, comma, within the string hello of 1. Output the character E. During compilation, C creates space for each string literal. That means hash of characters in the literal plus. Referring to the literal reference to the space. As if it is an array. Next, duplicate string literals. Each string literal duplicate string literals. Each string literal in a C program is stored at a different location. So, even if the string literals contain the same string, they are not equal. That means in the equal sense. For example, character string 1 of 6 is equal to hello. Character string 2 of 6 is equal to hello. But string 1 does not equal to string 2. They are stored at different locations. Next, string variables. Allocate an array of size large enough to hold the strings. Every time plus one extra value for the delimiter. For example, character string 1 of 6 is equal to hello. I can give the string length here. That means maximum string is 6. Next, without uh, taken string value, that means cat string 2 is equal to hello. Next, char stars st3 is string 3 is equal to hello. Next, char star 4 6 is equal to hello. That means slash 0. These are all the initializations in strings. Each variable is considered a constant in that the space it is connected to cannot be changed. For example, str1 is equal to str2. Not allowable, but we can copy the contents from string 2 to string 1. Next, it cannot change space string variables connected to, but we can use pointer variables that can be changed. Here is the examples. Here string 1 hello, string 1 unchangeable. Here cat star string 2 is equal to goodbye. It is also string 2 also unchangeable. Cat star s3 str3 not tied to space. str3 is equal to str1. Star str3 points to same space s1 connected to. Next str3 is equal to str2. These are the changing string variables. Next, it can change parts of string variables. Char str1 6 is equal to hello, str1 of 0 is equal to 1. Here str1 is now yellow. That means first character can be changed. str14 is equal to slash 0. That means last character will be deleted and it can place slash 0. Important to return delimiter, replacing str15 in the original string with something other than slash 0 make a string that does not end. Have to stay within limits of array. Thank you.